Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present about transformer and single line diagram. Before that, let me tell you about myself. My name is Nurul Ramadhani. My ID card number 201095134, and I'm from class DSGL-A. The first topic is transformer. Transformer is an electrical device that converts alternating current voltage from one level to another through a magnetic coupling and based on principles of electromagnetic induction. The transformer consists of a core which made of plates iron and two coils, namely the primary coils and the coil secondary. The transformer is divided into a step-up transformer and a step-down transformer. The transformer works on the principle that energy can be transferred by magnetic induction from one set of coils to another through a varying magnetic flux. The magnetic flux is generated by an AC surge. Next, the transformer working principle. A transformer works on the principle that energy can be transferred by magnetic induction from one set of coils to another set by means of a varying magnetic flux. The magnetic flux is produced by an AC surge. A transformer given a sinusoidal voltage on its primary side will produce a magnetizing current in the primary coils. This current will produce a magnetic flux in the iron core of the transformer. Magnetic flux in the core the transformer will produce a counter EMF on the primary coil and counter EMF on the secondary coil. The next, three-phase transformer coil connection. The two three-phase power supply system transformer three-phase transformer system is built by connecting three single-phase transformer connection. Number one, wire-to-wire connection is done by connecting the terminals, the primary coils of a three-phase transformer on lines RST. Then terminal, the neutral is coupled and connected to the neutral on the main supply line. The same configuration is also carried out on the secondary coils, terminals, three-phase transformer on lines R, S, and T. Then the neutral terminals are combined and connecting to load neutral. The second, Y to delta. Coil connection is done by the configuration carried out on the secondary coils terminals of a three-phase transformer is to connect the secondary terminals transformer between line RS, ST, and CR without using a neutral conductor. And third, the coil connection delta Y is carried out at the primary coil's terminals. Three-phase transformer is to connect the transformer terminals between lines RS, ST, and TR without using a neutral conductor. Configuration carried out on the transformer secondary coils terminals three-phase is to connect the secondary terminals of the transformer at line R, S, and T. Then the neutral terminals are combined and connected to load neutral. And the fourth, the coil connection delta to delta is done by connecting the terminals, the primary coil of a three-phase transformer on the RS, ST, and TR lines without using neutral conductor. The same configuration is also done on the terminals, the secondary coil of a three-phase transformer on the line RS, ST, and TR without using loud neutral conductor. The second topic is single line diagram. Single line diagram is a diagram that is used to describe the electrical installation circuit. The circuit is usually used in a series of electrical installation in homes and buildings. This diagram referred to as a single line diagram or one line diagram because it's only used one line described each cable connection. Symbol of a single line diagram. In the single line diagram, the system component is usually drawn in the form of their symbols. Generator and transformer connection, star, delta, and neutral earthing are indicated by symbol drawn by the side of the representation of these elements. Is it the generator, bus transformer, current transformer, potential transformer, circuit breaker, isolator, lightning arrestor, earth switch, wave trap, and the last coupling capacitor. And the next is advantage of a single line diagram. A single line diagram have many advantages. The first, single line diagram it requires much lesser space and hence leave for room for the signal for providing other useful information in the drawing. And the second, and a single line diagram is a very versatile and comprehensive because it can depict very simple DC circuit or very complicated three-part system. And the three, the single line diagram is so very simple, hence requires much later time for reader to understand the basic system design. And that's all for me. Thank you. Sorry for the mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.